Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I like this. Did you build this?
My buddy right there did it.
Okay. That's a curved port all the way around.
Yes, sir. It's even curved on the inside.
Really? Awesome. Was that just how you wanted it to make it look cool? Because that looks really good.
Originally, this was a 210s build, and we took because he already had it double baffled, and I needed something with a double baffle, and instead of building a new one, he already had this one that matched the specs and all for my 12, so we just cut out the 10 holes.
Oh, so you made it work?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to see that. Can I open the door? Okay. Oh, so you made it work. You kind of just opened up the cutouts.
Yes, sir.
Nice. On a Scar.
2 Scar SK 1500s.
Oh, 2 of them. 1500s.
Yeah. You can see the other one.
Are these SK or RPs?
SKs.
Oh, nice. All right.
They're strapped at 2 ohms, 1 ohm per.
1 ohm per. How'd you meet her?
I done a 45.6 in the kit.
Okay. You happy with it?
I'm wanting my 50.
Wanting your 50? Yes, sir.
I gotta get the whole thing dead, and then I got a McMahon. I mean, not a McMahon. A JS 300 on the way.
Okay. That'll help a lot too with your electrical.
Yes, sir. And I'm gonna get a limitless lithium, hopefully.
You're good. Okay. Yeah, limitless lithium's a good option for lithium, man. What, 25 or 45?
The 45.
45.
That way I can try to clamp the whole 2200 out of each of those.
That's possible, yep. Awesome. What was your name?
I'm Tyler Hood.
Tyler. All right, Jacob. You know. Yeah. Driver port. What's it tuned to?
About 40.
40 hertz?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, demo time. Your wires are rubbing on your sub, right? Okay, I just wanted to make sure you knew that.
I'm gonna get a SMD terminal and wire them through that and put some wood glue over that.
Okay.
Hope it holds.
Yeah. Dude, what was that frequency peak? That was pretty high.
I peaked at 45 and that was 44.
44. That was a good demo song. Awesome. Yeah. You got another one?
Yeah, it gets lower.
It does? Oh, okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure you knew that the subwoofer wire was hitting your speaker.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What subs were these? The
EVLs.
EVLs, okay. Scar EVL 12s.
Yes, sir.
All right.
My app's being stupid.
Don't worry about it, man. Got time. Impressive, man.
My first build, I was hitting 18.
18 hertz.
Yeah,
wow.
I had 2 SDRs with the Kinetic 1800.
Okay.
And an RP12.
Yep.
1200.
Wow. I'd say that was what, 26 hertz, 27 hertz, around there, probably.
That was 29.
29. Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
That was great. I like the way the box is built too. Looks great.
I appreciate it.
So you're planning on upgrading alternator? That'll definitely help.
Yes, sir. And I'm probably gonna drop back down to DDXs.
DDX, okay.
Once I get the clean power.
Yes, sir.
That with how I got it now, I just needed a little bit beefier sub to
yes, sir.
kind of take some of that dirty power out.
Oh yeah, it'll help. Every bit does. Nice to meet you, man.
It was nice meeting you.
So 143s. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.